What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we have our sixth and final box of our 2023 Top Series 1 Jumbo case. I've had a lot of fun so far. I appreciate you guys tuning in and showing the constant support. I really appreciate it. The case started off pretty slow, but it sped up pretty good, so I'm happy with how it turned out. Hopefully we can hit one more nice thing out of this box. We're looking for Gunnar, Adley, Michael Harris, all those guys. I say it at the beginning of like every video of this case so far, but good checklist. I mean, the price I got this case at, it's such a good price. I mean, hard for me to lose. Obviously, I don't know if we've met that threshold when it comes to what I paid for it, but I'm just really enjoying opening this stuff. Nice Shohei Ohtani box loader to start off the sixth and final box. Let me get the inner packs out. Get them off to the side, make some room for the stage. We'll save the silver packs for last. And here we have it. It's been a pleasure. Let's hit something nice. First pack, box number 6, final box of this case. Gonna start off with a Hunter Brown. I think we have a heavy lumber. I forgot that there were heavy lumbers in this product. This is the first year of the heavy lumbers, I think. All right, well, starting off good. Let's see who it is. It's going to be sideways. Ooh, it's a Red Sox Poppy. Raffy Devers, nice. John Gray was a gold foil. Beautiful start to this box. Rafael Devers, first year, heavy lumber. I hope that's not, I can't tell if that's a bend in the card or that's just the way the wood grain is. But we'll take that. Awesome hit there on the Raffy Devers. Beautiful PC hit. If you're new to the channel or just don't know, I am a diehard Red Sox fan, born and raised Boston. That's awesome. Got a George Brett on the 2020 club. Jackie Robinson on the 88. So good start to box number 6. Nice case hit there. The heavy lumbers, I mean, they're pretty hard to pull now. But when they first came out, they were pretty hard to pull, so we'll definitely take that. Christian Pache on the front, same correlation in a lot of these boxes. Let's go like this. Got 2 backwards cards. A gold foil and a green foil. Green foil is going to be a walk-off card for the the Padres on the green foil, and then we have a Jesse Winker on the gold foil. Green foil at a $4.99. Riley Green rookie on the 1988. There's Tristan Casas. I said this in like the second box of the video. Once like I really start sorting through this case and stuff, I'll pluck out the good rookies. I like putting these base rookies in a box and just throwing them in there. Got something thick in this one. It's going to be the manufactured Relic. Got Anthony Santander. Let's go like this. Bryce Harper on the rainbow foil. Got a Brian Hayes out of 2023 on the gold. Sandy Alcantara on the City Connect manufactured Relic, and Manny Machado on the greatest hits. Vinny P on the 1988. Let me get a sleeve for this Cabrian. The Pirates were, I think, thinking about trading Brian Hayes this offseason, but must have not have gotten an offer they liked. All right, 1 relic down. Got a Carlos Rodon on the front of this pack. Got Pete Alonso, and then this might be a greatest. Oh, Sean Bouchard is the auto. Damn. Anthony Rizzo. We got Pete Alonso on the rainbow foil. Anthony Rizzo is numbered at a $2.99. That's a black 2022 greatest hits. Sean Bouchard is our last auto. I've said this before. I've said it many times. I'll continue to say it. You don't really open flagship for the autographs. It's always nice to pull a nice one, but it's very hard to pull a nice autograph out of flagship products. So, just a PSA. Sleeve up this Rizzo, the Rizzler. Got a Adley Rutschman on the 2022 Greatest Hits, Shohei on the 1988, and base. On to the next pack. Pavin Smith on the front. The Shohei base. Eric Lauer. Got Jonah Heim. Go like this. Jonah Heim on the gold foil. And then we have a gold for the Giants. It's going to be a Dominic Leone out of 2023. Put it with the Cabrian. Got Cal Ripken on the 88 and base. Got 5 packs to go. Brett Beatty right on front. Two backwards cards. 1-2 punch of Max Scherzer and Steven Strasburg. What do we got here? Got orange foil. Got a gold foil here. It's a rookie. Caleb Killian for the Cubbies. Shout out Brett from Step in the Box. And then another Giant. It's going to be Carlos Rodon. A lot of Giants parallels. Carlos Rodon. Nice color match. Team color match. He's not on that team anymore, but out of 299. Javi Baez on the 1988. And then base. 4 packs to go. Looks like we have our last relic here. Brad Miller. Brady Singer, and the relic is going to be an Alex Kirilloff. Brady Singer on the rainbow foil. Alex Kirilloff. Game used jersey on the 1988. Put that right there. Got Pedro. It's nice. I'll put that in the binder. Luis Robert. There's Gunner. Looks like we're going to go through this case without a Gunner parallel. Very sad. That's definitely who you're looking for. Jack Sawinski. Right on the front. Matthew Liberatore. Got a Gerard Encarnacion. Like this. Luis Arias on the gold out of 2023. Home Run Derby. Home Run Challenge card. Riley Green. There's Gerard Encarnacion on the rainbow foil. All aces of Alek Manoah and Seiya Suzuki on the 1988. Let's give this Arias a sleeve. All right, we got 2 packs to go. Two packs to go. Jack Sawinski again on the front. Got a O'Neal Cruz. And then another Golden Mirror. Wow. So that's back-to-back-to-back boxes with the Golden Mirror SSP. That's madness. O'Neal Cruz Future Stars on the rainbow foil. Let's see what we got here. Astro. Luis Garcia on the Golden Mirror SSP. Cool photo of them celebrating. So 3 Golden Mirrors in this case. In boxes 4, 5, and 6. That's pretty crazy. Cool hit there. Put that up front. Finish off this pack. Got Carlos Correa on the 1988 and base. All right, here we are. Last pack, last jumbo pack of this case. Got Brett Beatty right on front. See if we can squeeze anything else out. Got a Riley Green, base rookie. Gavin Lux on the gold foil. 1-2 punch of Walker Buehler and Julio Urias. Another Julio Urias on the 88 and base. So that's going to do it. Let's do the silver packs real quick. Last silver packs of this case. Got a Miguel Vargas, who's now a White Sox. Ricky Henderson. Oscar Gonzalez, and then we have a Wander Franco for the Rays. All right. Doesn't look like a hit here. Ethan Small rookie, Josh Smith, Fernando Tatis, and a Graham Ashcraft on the rookie mojo. So that's going to do it. That concludes the case of 2023 Top Series 1. Let's do a quick recap. A bunch of different foils coming out of these boxes. And let's take a look at some numbered cards. We had a Carlos Rodon on the orange foil out of 299. Dominic Leon on the gold out of 2023. Brian Hayes gold out of 2023. Anthony Rizzo greatest hits. Black out of 299. Padres team card out of 499. And Luis Arias on the gold. 2 relics had the Alex Kirilloff game used relic and the Sandy Alcantara on the manufactured relic. The auto was Sean Bouchard on the 1988 on-card autograph. And then we have 2 case hits, 1 box. Luis Garcia on the Golden Mirror SSP, first year Golden Mirror, and a nice Raffy Devers on the Heavy Lumber case hit. So that's going to do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. I really enjoyed ripping this case for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I appreciate you guys. So have a good day. Thank you.